Hey everyone, welcome back my channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to import a UDP request file into SocksIP Tunnel VPN and how to download the UDP request file itself. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more useful content. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Installing SocksIP Tunnel VPN. First, open your device's Play Store. Search for SocksIP Tunnel VPN. Click the Install button and download it to your device. Step 2. Navigating to Import option. Once you've launched the app, you'll land on the home screen. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner to open the submenu. Here, you'll see options for export and import. But before we click on Import, we need to download the file from the UDP custom website. Step 3. Accessing UDP custom website. Now, open your browser and search for UDP custom. Click on the UDP custom website link to go to the home page. Step 4. Navigating website menu. On the home page, click on the three lines located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 5. Selecting UDP request files. From the menu, select the UDP request files button. Step 6. Downloading UDP request file. Browse through the list of UDP request files and choose the one you desire. Click on it, and in a few moments, the file will download to your device's Download folder. Step 7. Importing the file into SocksIP Tunnel VPN. Once the UDP request file is downloaded, go back to the SocksIP Tunnel VPN app. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner and select the Import button. Step 8. Locating and importing the file. This will direct you to your device's Download folder. Find the UDP request file you just downloaded and click on it. The file will be imported successfully. Step 9. Connecting the VPN. Now, simply tap the Start button to connect the VPN. And there you have it! An easy way to download and import a UDP request file into SocksIP Tunnel VPN. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it for more useful content. Thanks for watching.